Hi, in the previous session, we have created one LSMW project by using the direct input method for the material master. Now that LSMW is there in our development server, so we can see here, this was the project material master and material underscore TI, that is direct input, which we have created in the development server. So generally for creation, we done in the development. When testing is done, we have to export in PRD and do the actual data migration. So now here is my production server. If I go to LSMW, I don't have that project here. You can see the message, no project exit with the name because that I created in the development server. You can see here, this is the PRD system, and the one which we have created, that was development server. Okay, now how to export? Here on the extras, click on export project go to export tools and click on export. Select the location. I am installing into development server desktop. The file name is LSMW underscore DEV underscore mm. Click on save. Mapping and rule exported successfully. So this I have exported from the development server. Now we'll upload in the PRD. First check the file on the here is the file created, LSMW underscore DEV underscore mm. Now to import in the PRD go to PRD system, go to extras and click on import project. Select the file from the desktop, that is LSMW underscore DEV underscore mm, which is created recently. Double click. Select the object to be imported. Just press enter. Again edit. Click on import. Mapping and rules imported. Go back. Press enter. Now you can see in the PRD system the objects are created. That LSMW file is imported. Okay. Click execute. So you can see the object is here. Go back. We'll check the source field. Yes, this is the same field which we created in the development server. Check the field mapping. The same field mapping which is there in the development server, you can see in the PRD system. So instead of transport request for the LSMW, this is a very simple concept. From the development system where we have created our object, just do the export by going to extras, and that file by going to the PRD system, we have to just again go to extras and go to import. So in this very simple way, instead of transport request, we can transfer the LSMW from development system to PRD with the export import concept. So in this way, we are done with this session.